What are these, guys?
That's a turtle.
I knew y'all'd like those. Look, I like the alien. Or this guy.
Oh, can we get all of them?
Oh, no, they're $21 a piece.
Yeah. Get all of them.
Got the snakes.
This one doesn't really look to me. Look at this.
Look at y'all's faces.
I know. Look at this one. See? It's a fairy.
Look at this big shark.
Where a big shark?
Octopus.
Octopus.
Right here.
Oh, those are big ones. There's aliens.
Where's that cool dragon? Oh, this is a cool one. So these are quite a bit larger than the ones y'all got before, and for about the same price.
His wings. It sounds like a skeleton. Oh, those are
3D printed little creatures. I like the turtle.
turtle. Looks scared.
Is that a cat?
You know, Alicia would probably like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna get her one too. Is that a horned toad?
Oh, it's a horny toad. Peter, what are you gonna get? What are you gonna get?
Oh, that's cool. Here's a purple one.
They're cool.
Horny toad. What is that, a mud puppy? Where's your T-Rex? Did you find a T-Rex?
I put the T-Rex in there.
Oh.
That's a really cool color too.
T-Rex.
I wish the alligator could open this one. I don't know why, but I really...
Crab.
I put it that on. Oh, twisted.
Another T-Rex. Here's a green T-Rex.
There's a snake. No, you gotta move it.
Oh, there's a Triceratops.
There's no legs, but it's cool.
It is cool. What is it? Or what was it? I think it was a partial dragon.
Actually, I think it's fun. I think it's cool. I think it's a good thing. No, it's not. Yes, it is. There's no... Maybe somebody broke it and bought the other end thinking it was a worm.
Yeah, $100 later. But they're really cool. You got a T-Rex, Ethan?
Nice. Do you regret it or not regret it?
Thanks, Duckies.
This is the question. Do you regret it or do you not regret it?
Oh, no, I see the smiles on y'all's faces, so how can I regret that?
He's smiling too, and mine is just smiling.
Oh, I got it. Oh. Ethan, show me what you got. All right.